Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we'll talk about Twinmotion for Revit. We all know Revit and all the capabilities it has for 3D modeling, for buildings, different residential projects, etc. But what about having quick and easy visualizations, videos, and other renders that you need to impress your clients? Well, I have great news for you, because now if you have an active Revit subscription or AEC Collection subscription, you have access to Twinmotion for Revit. It's free. All you need to do is follow the instructions that I'll let you know in a little moment. But let's talk about Twinmotion. So what is Twinmotion? Twinmotion is a software system owned by Epic Games. And as we've announced in previous videos, Autodesk and Epic Games have this synergy where they're collaborating to make this process of going for very detailed 3D models to visualization faster and easier with these two tools. So there's only an install that you need to do, which is Twinmotion for Revit. And of course, you need to have Revit 2023 with the latest updates as well. But once you have that, you'll be able to use both, and we'll show you some of the capabilities today. With Twinmotion, you can take your design from data and experience in minutes with a tool that gives your stakeholders a complete picture. You can generate renders, you can generate 3D moving videos or animations, for example, people and different paths for cars, for bicycles, for buses. It's really impressive. You can add a lot of vegetation in minutes. The user interface is very user-friendly, and the power is just what you can do with your imagination. Of course, there's an entire library that you can access with Twinmotion. All you need to do is create a free Epic account, and then you'll have those resources with Twinmotion for Revit. If you want to be inspired and look at some of the real case studies of people using Twinmotion nowadays, different projects, different companies, take a look at their website, and in the Spotlight section you'll find a lot of really interesting and inspiring case studies. Let's take a look at this specific case study. Zaha Hadid Architects turns to Twinmotion for early design studies. Look at these images. Isn't it impressive? Of course, there's a video here you can also watch, but I just want to quickly show you a few of the images generated with Twinmotion. Look at the vegetation. And when you see how easy it is to include different varieties of trees and bushes and grass in a model, that's really amazing. How quickly you can visualize and simulate different scenarios for your projects, even different locations for your designs. Of course, you can also leverage the entire library of assets that it's available. Again, to use these assets, you need to create a free Epic account, and after that you can download any specific asset that you need for your project. There are different items for outdoors, for indoors, furniture, different more specific assets that you may need for a project. Now, how do you install Twinmotion for Revit? Well, if you're the contract manager or have access to the products, you can go to manage.autodesk.com, sign it with your Autodesk username and password, which is usually your work email, and the password for Autodesk products. And then in the All Products and Services tab, you can just type Twinmotion. You'll find Twinmotion for Revit, which will take you to another hyperlink in which you can actually download the installer. It will take a while because it's a bit heavy, but just be patient and accept the terms and conditions and download. Once the installer is downloaded, you can simply run it. Again, you need to accept the terms and conditions. And voila, you'll be ready to use Twinmotion for Revit. Make sure that you have all the Revit 2023 updates as well, because this will guarantee Twinmotion to appear in the correct tab inside Revit. If you want to watch a detailed step-by-step Twinmotion for Revit walkthrough, please stay put for the next video in this channel. I hope this is useful and you start learning how to use Twinmotion for Revit, create stunning visuals and impress your clients right away. Thanks for watching and see you next time.